Hello, Carriage Manor residents. Today I want to show you how easy it is to use electronic voting. In this video, we will walk through a step-by-step tutorial to help you understand how this works. This will hopefully answer any questions you have about the electronic voting process. So here we go. On January 11th, as an electronic voter, you will receive an email from Carriage Manor Resort, subject line, Vote Now. If you own more than one lot, you will receive a separate email for each lot you own. Each email will contain a unique access key for that lot. Let's open an email to get started. Notice at the top, it will state your lot number. You are provided with a link that contains your access key. I'm going to choose this first link because it already contains my unique access key, so I don't have to sign in. I also want to point out to you that your unique key is not connected to your name, email, or your lot, so when you vote, it is anonymous. Election Buddy opens up in a new window tab. At the top, there is a navigation bar showing the ballot, review, and confirmation screens. Directly below the navigation bar is a letter from the board secretary regarding the voting information. Below the letter, the blue section contains the option to vote for candidates. Select from 1 to 3 choices for the candidates to fill the 3 open seats. You can also type in up to 3 write-in candidates, or you could choose to abstain. To read a candidate's bio, click on the red information link. To vote for a candidate, simply click on their checkbox. If you want to add a write-in candidate, type in their name in the open box above abstain. If you want to add another write-in candidate, click on the red text, Add More Write-ins. Next, I will continue to the initiatives up for approval. After reading the proposal, choose Yes, No, or Abstain. Just to let you know, the ballot will not allow you to vote for more than 3 candidates. To demonstrate that, I'm going to add 1 write-in candidate before continuing. I'm going to scroll up to the top and click on the Add More Write-ins, and then add my new write-in candidate. Now I'm going to scroll down and click Continue. Notice that it comes back with an error message. If I scroll down, I see a message indicating to only select 1 to 3 choices before I can continue. Let me go back and correct that by removing my extra write-in candidate. Once your ballot is completed correctly, click on the orange Continue button at the bottom right of your screen to proceed to the review screen. You can click on Edit to go back and edit your choices, or click the orange Submit button. Once you click Submit, you are taken to the confirmation screen. At this point, you cannot go back and make any changes. A confirmation email will also be sent to you. Again, if you have more than 1 unit, you will receive a separate email for each lot that you own. It is that simple. We hope you will join us in using the electronic voting process this year.